Hey guys, we received this WORKPRO jewelry plier set, 3-pack jewelry making tool kit. For test and try, needle nose plier, chain nose plier, and a round nose plier, and the wire cutter for the charm bracelet or the jewelry repair. So you can see comes in this nice protective box. And let me just open this. So these are another nice pliers, and this is a chain nose plier that you can easily, pull and do the chain. This one is the wire cutter that you can easily cut with the sharp edges. So it can cut the thin wire or copper wire or the jewelry wires. See, like the cutting is very pretty straightforward and they're sharp one. This is a round nose plier with the wire wrapping or the make eye pins or the making hoops. So it's a nice plier set for the jewelry repair or the jewelry kit that you can easily use. These are very flexible in the hand, small size, and also like a nice set for doing that. So these are anti-rust surface and a very nice plier sets.